Hello. Now today we will discuss the general examples on partial differentiable equation. Okay. Partial differentiation. The general examples. Example first. U is equal to x raised to y. U is equal to x ka power y. Comma show that dou cube u upon dou x square into dou y is equal to dou cube u upon dou x dou y dou x. Okay, now we have to show that this here u is given, u is x raised to y. Okay, now we will find answer of this. Answer here u is x raised to y. U is x raised to y. This is your given u is x raised to y. Then meaning of this, here u is function of x and y. Okay, u is function of x and y. Differentiate u with respect to x and y. Differentiate u with respect to x and y. तो क्या मिलेगा with respect to x? Therefore dou u by dou x क्या जाएगा? dou u by dou x. This is x raised to n. Correct. X raised to n. Y x raised to y minus 1. Correct. Y x raised to y minus 1. And with respect to y dou u by dou y is equal to this is just like a raised to x. Correct. A raised to x. तो क्या जाएगा? A raised to x into log of a, that is log of x. Okay, with respect to u, y. Differentiate of u with respect to y. This is a raised to x. Okay, with respect to y क्या जाएगा? a raised to x. तो कहता है this a raised to x as it is into log of x. Okay, a raised to x into log of x. A raised to x log of a. A raised to x log of a. Okay, just like this. Now first we will find this. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? u का डिफरेंशिएशन फर्स्ट with respect to y, then twice with respect to x. Okay, नोटेशन याद मेरे को परफेक्ट. u का डिफरेंशिएशन फर्स्ट with respect to y, then twice with respect to x. Okay, now consider dou u by dou y is equal to x raised to y log of x. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x. तो क्या जाएगा? dou by dou x of dou u by dou y is equal to dou by dou x of x raised to y into log of x. Okay, this is here we get dou to u upon dou x dou y is equal to, now here we have to use the formula u into v. Okay, first as it is x raised to y as it is, derivative of log x with respect to x क्या जाएगा? 1 by x plus log of x as it is into derivative of x raised to y with respect to x. This is x raised to n. Correct. तो क्या जाएगा? उसका डिफरेंशिएशन y x raised to y minus 1. Correct. Now this is here x raised to y divided by x. This is x raised to y minus 1 plus here is also y into x raised to y minus 1 into log of x. Okay, now I will solve here. I will write here all these calculations. Okay, now differentiate again this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. तो क्या जाएगा? देखो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? dou by dou x of dou to u upon dou x dou y dou to u upon dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of this, dou by dou x of x raised to y minus 1 plus y into x raised to y minus 1 into log of x. Okay, right as it is here. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, तो देखो here we get, therefore this is dou cube u divided by dou x dou 2x dou y is equal to, तो x raised to y minus 1, x raised to y minus 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या जाएगा, y minus 1 into x raised to y minus 2. Correct. Plus here y is constant, derivative of x, this x raised to y minus 1 as it is, x raised to y minus 1 as it is, derivative of log x, this is 1 by x plus log x as it is. Now derivative of x raised to y minus 1, this is y minus 1 into x raised to y minus 2. Okay, here we have to use the simple rule, that is u into v rule. Okay, uv rule. Solve this. This is y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2 multiply by y to whole bracket, तो क्या जाएगा y into x raised to y into, यहाँ पे क्या है x का पावर 1, यहाँ पे क्या है x का पावर y minus 1, तो क्या जाएगा x raised to y minus 2 plus log of x into, यहाँ पे क्या है y minus 1 into x raised to y minus 2. Okay, if we simplify this, no problem, नहीं simplify किया तो भी चलेगा. Okay, then find this y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2 common, तो क्या बचेगा y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2 in bracket, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा 1 प्लस यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा log of x. ओके, प्लस y x raised to y minus 2, y x raised to y minus 2. Suppose this is your equation first, this is your dou cube u upon dou 2x upon dou y. Okay, suppose this is your equation first. नहीं तो उसे सिंप्लीफाई भी किया तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Suppose this is your equation first. Now we have to solve the second part. Okay, for this यहाँ पे हमने फाइंड किया है dou u by dou x, correct, dou u by dou x. Now I will write here dou u by dou x is equal to y x raised to y minus 1, correct, y x raised to y minus 1. Okay, now differentiate this, we have to find this. So first x, then y, then x. Differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y, तो क्या जाएगा dou by dou y of dou u by dou x is equal to y as it is, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा with respect to y, with respect to y, this is just like a raised to x, correct, a raised to x, तो क्या जाएगा x raised to y minus 1 into log of x, correct, प्लस द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y का डेरिवेटिव 1 आएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा x raised to y minus 1. Okay, now differentiate again this with respect to x, तो क्या जाएगा, this is nothing but ये क्या है आपके पास, this is your, ये क्या है dou to u upon, I will write here, then again differentiate with respect to x, I will write step directly, differentiate with respect to x, तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे dou by dou x of, ये क्या है dou to u upon dou y dou x. Okay, we have to differentiate this with respect to x. तो by using UV rule, this y as it is in bracket with respect to x, suppose this is constant x raised to y minus 1, log x का differentiation 1 by x plus log of x as it is into derivative of x raised to y minus 1, this is y minus 1 into x raised to y minus 2, okay, plus the derivative of x raised to y minus 1 with respect to x, क्या जाएगा y minus 1 into x raised to y minus 2, okay. Now this is, I will write here y into x raised to, this goes to this side, क्या जाएगा y minus 2, correct, plus y into log of x y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2 plus y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2, correct. Now see this, or see this directly. Suppose this is your equation first. See these two equations are same, okay. उसे हमने suppose this is your first, उसे भी first किया, नहीं तो कॉमन निकाला तो भी चलेगा, यहाँ पे भी कॉमन निकाला तो भी चलेगा, नहीं निकाला तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. See from equation first and second, these two equations are same. Y x raised to y minus 2, y x raised to y minus 2. This is your term, correct. This is your term. यहाँ पे भी है. Then second term y log x into y minus 1 into into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, this is your first term. यहाँ पे है, correct. यहाँ पे है जो हमने कॉमन निकाला था. Plus y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2, this is your term, correct. तो यहाँ पे एक y बाकी है, this y multiplied to this, here is one y missing, okay. Now this is your answer. So from equation first and second, LHS is equal to RHS, that is dou cube u divided by dou x square dou y is equal to dou cube u divided by dou x dou y dou x, okay. Given result is proved. तो क्या करना है, इन जनरल समझ में आ गया. जो आपको फाइंड करना है वही निकालो, ओके. नाउ सेकंड एग्जांपल, second, if PV is equal to log x cube plus y cube minus y square x minus x square y, then prove that in bracket dou by dou x plus dou by dou y bracket square at u is equal to minus 4 upon x plus y bracket square, minus 4 upon x plus y bracket square, okay. Now here we have to solve directly, तो भी आंसर मिलेगा. This is your u is given. Differentiate u directly with respect to x, with respect to y, तो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा. और फर्स्ट सपोज वी हैव टू एडजस्ट u, देन सॉल्व, तो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा. तो देखो हियर गिवन u इज इक्वल टू log in bracket x cube plus y cube minus y square x minus x square y, okay. Now from first and last term take x square common, from this term and from this term take x square common. क्या बचेगा ब्रैकेट में? This is u is equal to log in bracket x square, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा x minus y, correct. Now plus from these two term take y square common, take y square common. Suppose I will write here minus, take minus outside because हमें x minus y बचना चाहिए. तो क्या जाएगा y square in bracket, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा x minus y, take minus y square common because हमें यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए minus x minus y, okay. Now simplify this. U is equal to log, this is x minus y, यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा x square minus y square, correct. Now u is equal to log x minus y, this can be written as x minus y, x plus y, correct. Now u is equal to log x minus y bracket square into x plus y, correct. But log of AB, how to write log of AB? This is log of A plus log of B, correct. So u is equal to क्या जाएगा 2 times log x minus y plus log x plus y, correct. Now differentiate u. Suppose this is your equation first. Differentiate with respect to x and y, we get dou u by dou x. क्या मिलेगा dou u by dou x? उसका डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, log का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन, करेक्ट. तो क्या जाएगा 2 अपॉन x माइनस y प्लस यहाँ पे भी क्या जाएगा 1 अपॉन x प्लस y, करेक्ट. 1 अपॉन x प्लस y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x 1, यहाँ पे भी सेम इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x माइनस y, दिस इज 1. ऑल्सो dou u by dou y, फॉर y यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा माइनस n, करेक्ट, इंटू मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. तो माइनस 2 अपॉन x माइनस y प्लस 1 अपॉन x प्लस y, ओके. बिकॉज उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा 2 एज इट इज 1 अपॉन x माइनस y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y क्या जाएगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, x0 माइनस y का माइनस 1. फॉर दिस पर्पज देयर इज नेगेटिव साइन, ओके. नाउ add these two equation, add, तो क्या जाएगा dou u by dou x प्लस dou u by dou y इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट टर्म गेट कैंसिल, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है वहाँ पे नेगेटिव है. 2 अपॉन x माइनस y माइनस 2 अपॉन x माइनस y गेट कैंसिल. तो क्या बचेगा 1 अपॉन x प्लस y एंड 1 अपॉन x प्लस y. दिस इज 2 अपॉन x प्लस y, 2 upon x plus y, okay. This is suppose equation second. Now we have to find value of this. Now dou by dou x plus dou by dou y bracket square of u, this is nothing but dou by dou x plus dou by dou y into dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y, okay. Apply u, this is 2 times multiplication, then apply u, okay. But value of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y, उसकी वैल्यू आपके पास है, this is 2 upon x plus y. तो क्या जाएगा dou by dou x plus dou by dou y into 2 upon x plus y, okay. Now differentiate this with respect to x. तो क्या जाएगा dou by dou x of 2 upon x plus y plus dou by dou y of 2 upon x plus y, okay. Now this is just like 1 upon x, derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. तो क्या जाएगा minus 2 upon x plus y bracket square. सेम यहाँ पे भी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 by y क्या जाएगा माइनस 1 by y स्क्वायर. तो क्या बचेगा 2 अपॉन x प्लस y ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस इज माइनस 4 अपॉन x plus y bracket square, and this is your result. We have to find same value, correct, dou by dou y bracket square at u, okay. This is your required result, okay. This is your example second. Okay, here we have to use the simple formulas of partial derivatives, okay. Now next example. Example third. If EV is equal to EV is equal to 4 e raised to minus 6x, 4 e raised to minus 6x into sine in bracket pt minus 6x satisfy dou u by dou t is equal to dou 2 u upon dou x square, then find value of p. Find value of p. Okay. Now this is your question. Here u is given and this u satisfy this equation. Then we have to find value of p. Okay. So first we have to find dou u by dou t. Then we have to find dou 2 u upon dou x square. Then equate these two equation. Compare both the side. From that equation we get value of p. Okay. So देखो solution here u is sin pt minus 6ax. Okay. Now first differentiate u with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. तो क्या मिलेगा इक्वेशन? Therefore dou u by dou t is equal to, this is constant 4 e raised to minus 6x also constant. t यहाँ पे साइन का डिफरेंशिएशन cos pt minus 6ax. ओके. into derivative of pt minus 6ax with respect to t. pt minus 6ax with respect to t क्या जाएगा? into p. Okay. This is dou u by dou t is equal to 4p e raised to minus 6ax cos pt minus 6ax. Suppose this is your equation first. Okay. Also we have to find derivative of this with respect to x. Also dou u by dou x is equal to, use u into v rule because यहाँ पे भी e का पावर x है, here e का पावर x है. This 4 outside e raised to minus 6ax constant. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन क्या जाएगा? cos pt minus 6ax, साइन का डिफरेंशिएशन cos pt minus 6ax as it is into derivative of pt minus 6ax with respect to x क्या जाएगा? minus 6 plus look on the board, this step is very important, huh? Plus the sin pt minus 6ax as it is, sin pt minus 6ax as it is into derivative of e raised to minus 6ax. This is e raised to minus 6ax into minus 6. Okay, this is your first derivative. Then see here, this is 4, here is minus 6, यहाँ पे क्या है? minus 6. Take minus 6 outside, take minus 6 outside, तो क्या जाएगा? minus 6 into 4, this is minus 24 in bracket e raised to minus 6x. Okay, cos pt minus 6ax plus यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? e raised to minus 6ax sin pt minus 6ax. Okay, now we get this. but we have to find dou 2u upon dou x square. Again differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate again, differentiate with respect to x. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे dou 2u upon dou x square. Correct. This is dou 2u upon dou x square is equal to this minus 24 is constant. This is outside minus 24 in big bracket में this simple bracket. First differentiate this e raised to minus 6x as it is, e raised to minus 6x as it is. Derivative of cos, derivative of cos का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा माइनस साइन pt minus 6x, pt minus 6x into minus 6 into minus 6, okay, into minus 6 plus this cos pt minus 6x as it is, cos I will write here, cos into derivative of e raised to minus 6x क्या जाएगा e raised to minus 6x into minus 6, okay, plus this is derivative of your first term, this is your derivative, okay, plus we have to find derivative of this e raised to minus 6x as it is, e raised to minus 6x as it is. sin का derivative क्या जाएगा cos pt minus 6x into minus 6 का डिफरेंशिएशन minus 6, ओके, प्लस sin pt minus 6x as it is, sin pt minus 6x as it is into derivative of e raised to minus 6, तो क्या जाएगा e raised to minus 6x into minus 6, okay. Okay, this is your derivative. Now I will simplify this. यहाँ पे माइनस 6 है, यहाँ पे माइनस 6 है, यहाँ पे माइनस 6 है, यहाँ पे माइनस 6 है. टेक माइनस 6 आउटसाइड, माइनस 6 इंटू माइनस 24 वो क्या जाएगा 144, एडिशन में 144 इन ब्रैकेट. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा देखो, अभी माइनस 6 बाहर निकाला है, हाँ, यहाँ पे माइनस ई रेस टू माइनस 6x साइन पी टी माइनस 6x, ओके, माइनस 6 आउटसाइड, प्लस यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा ई रेस टू माइनस 6x कॉस पी टी माइनस 6x, ओके. देन यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा माइनस 6 आउटसाइड में निकाला है, क्या बचेगा प्लस ई रेस टू माइनस 6x कॉस पी टी माइनस 6x एंड लास्ट यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा माइनस बाहर निकाले तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा प्लस ई रेस टू माइनस 6x साइन पी टी माइनस 6x, ओके, करेक्ट. नाउ दिस फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म गेट कैंसल, दिस टर्म एंड दिस टर्म गेट कैंसल, ओके. तो क्या बचेगा, दिस इज 144, दिस इज 144 इन ब्रैकेट, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 2 टाइम्स दिस, करेक्ट, 2 टाइम्स ई रेस टू माइनस 6x कॉस पी टी माइनस 6x, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. बट दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ डो यू बाई डो टी. डो यू बाई डो टी क्या है आपके पास, डो यू बाई डी टी फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, दिस इज योर वैल्यू, करेक्ट, दिस इज योर वैल्यू. नाउ वी हैव टू रिप्लेस और डो टू यू अपॉन डो एक्स स्क्वायर. Suppose this is equation second, but given that I will find answer by using given dou u by dou t is equal to dou to u upon dou x square, correct, dou to u upon dou x square. Now put value of dou u by dou t, this is 4p e raised to minus 6x, 4p e raised to minus 6x cos pt minus 6x, pt माइनस 6x इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस इज 144 इंटू 2 इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस 6x cos pt minus 6x. Okay, now e raised to minus 6x cos pt minus 6x get cancel, e raised to minus 6x cos pt. Okay, compare these two, तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, दिस इज 4p is equal to 144 into 2. Okay, now this 4 goes to this divide, we get value of p. This implies p is equal to this 4 divided by this 2, 1 by 2 into 144, we get p as 72. We get value of p as 72. Okay, now this is value of p, that is 72. Okay, now this is your example number 3rd. Now I will give some question for your homework. Then question number 3rd, if question number 4th, if z cube minus zx minus y is equal to 4, this is equation in z, then find dou z by dou x comma dou z by dou y, and prove that dou 2z upon dou x dou y is equal to minus 3z square plus x divided by 3z square minus x bracket cube. Okay, this is your homework question. This is your first example for homework. Here z is a function of x and y. यहाँ पे z क्या है, z, here z is function of x and y. We have to differentiate this equation with respect to x, also with respect to y, also find this value. Okay, now next example 5, if z is equal to tan y plus ax plus y minus ax bracket raised to 3 by 2, then find the value, comma find the value of dou 2z upon dou x square minus a square dou 2z upon dou y square. Okay, here z is given, z is function of x and y, then differentiate z twice with respect to x, also differentiate z twice with respect to y, then find value of this. And last example number 6, find the value of n, find value of n for which z is equal to r raised to n e raised to minus r square upon 4t satisfy PDE, that is partial differentiable equation, 1 by r square in bracket dou by dou r of r square dou z by dou r is equal to dou z by dou t is equal to dou z by dou t. Here is also same. First apply log on the both the side, then by using the rules of logarithm, first simplify the z, after that find dou z by dou r, then convert it into r square dou z by dou r, then upon that apply dou by dou r again, then again take 1 by r square. Similarly find derivative of z with respect to t, and these two are same. Okay, these three examples for your homework. Okay, these are the simple example from the topic partial differentiation. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss the next types of examples. Okay.